What's up, guys? We are once again gonna work on the truck. I'm gonna be putting this in. So it's a sleeve for the front of the differential. On the Tacomas, on the front driver's side of the front differential, they put a needle bearing where the CV axle goes through. Well, those things tend to mess up, and then your CV axle has a lot of play. So there's a company that makes a sleeve that'll replace that that needle bearing. So right now I'm gonna end up disassembling this whole the not the knuckle, but I'm gonna take the lower ball joint, sway bar end link, and the tie rod end, so that I can sway this back. And I don't necessarily need to pull the CV axle out, but I'm gonna do it anyway so I can have more space. And they sent me the tool. I ended up purchasing the tool so that I can extract the bearing from there. And I'm gonna end up putting the sleeve in, and I also got the tool to punch it right back in. So I'm gonna start disassembling this. It's going a lot more better than last time. Last time I wasn't able to take the CV axle out because I didn't have, let's just say, the proper tools, and I just didn't have the time. I was rushing it, and I have all the time in the world now. So I'm gonna get straight to it, and yeah, I'll try and take it step by step, or I'll stop within when I start doing this stuff. But we'll get to it, and hopefully we'll get this done today. I may be able to go night wheeling, and I'll show you guys later what I did get in the mail yesterday, which I've been waiting for like 2.5 months, which I'm glad I got it. But let's get to this. See that right there? That's what I'm going to be replacing. That needle bearing right there. Okay, if you can see here, I made a little contraption. It's literally a piece of microfiber cloth with I had a spoke, so I put it right through there because I'm gonna put it right in there, but I'm putting it in there so that the tool that it came with doesn't fall inside the differential. If it falls inside the differential, I'll have to take it completely apart so I could take that piece out. So it's just gonna keep it from actually falling in there. I just needed to hold so that I can thread it, and then once I thread it, then I'll be able to take it out. Finally, after all of those attempts, I was able to get this piece behind this bearing, and I put this to hold on to that. Then I'm gonna put this tool on there with the nut so that I can pull it right out. But it has to grab onto this thin bearing right here on the backside to be able to pull it out. Sure feels like it's catching. I think we might be able to get it out in the first try. Let's see it. Woo! Finally got it out. Just took out this bearing. And I'll show you right now how loose this actually fits compared to this right here. Original. This is what I took out. Okay. Replacement. No play. Hardly any play. Enough for it to slide in. I'm gonna use this punch to push this piece back in. And you're gonna hit the solid side. Because there's a solid and there's one that has a lip. You're gonna hit one that's solid with this piece. Let's get it. Okay, so everything's done already. The sleeve is in. See that? Now I'm just gonna end up putting everything back together. Well guys, that's pretty much the rest of it. I'm gonna end up topping off the oil again, wait for it to drip, and then after that, next thing I'm gonna be doing is putting my rock lights somewhere right here, and then I have to notch the frame, tire rubs. Other than that, you've seen how easy it is. I'll put the company that makes this piece right here, this product that I just put in the truck. Can't wait to take it on the trail and then see how it performs. Hopefully I don't have like that little small vibration on a highway, or no. So I think it was when I would take a turn and there were some bumps, I would hear like if something was loose. So I'm just hoping that'll get rid of that issue, and I'll get back to you guys on that review. Until then guys, like I said, probably the next video is going to be rock lights or another trail video. Alright guys, peace.